Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the Microsoft account that has rewards active and verify your region matches Steam's store. Once done, open the Microsoft Rewards dashboard and note your current points balance so you know what you can afford. Make sure your Microsoft account email is accessible and matches the email you'll use for purchases. This avoids region or delivery issues. Now, search the rewards catalog for Steam digital gift cards and select the denomination that fits your points total to begin checkout. You now redeem points. Choose a Steam e-gift card denomination that matches your points and click Redeem. During checkout, follow prompts to confirm delivery method. Most are instant digital codes, so expect an on-screen code and confirmation email. Once you receive the code, copy it immediately and paste into a secure note. Save the email as backup. If you're buying multiple cards, stagger redemptions to avoid timeouts. After redemption, proceed to your Steam client to add the code to your wallet or apply it at checkout. Finish by opening Steam and selecting Redeem a Steam wallet code or adding funds during purchase. Paste the Microsoft code exactly as provided. If redemption fails, first check that the Steam account region matches the Microsoft Rewards region and that you entered every character correctly. If problems persist, locate the Rewards redemption confirmation email and note the redemption ID. Take a screenshot of the failed attempt. Then contact Microsoft Rewards support with that ID and your screenshot to resolve delivery or region conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.